I yeeted myself onto the bed.
Pretty much.
Should I recreate what I did?
Wait, can I record?
Are you dressed, Joel?
No, I can't find any of my clothes.
I don't know what happened.
Joel text.
Jumping on the
Joel
bed.
texted group chat. And we were all downstairs, so I was like, guys, Dad's awake. I'm like, let's go get him. I'm like,
It's Bot Lincoln.
oh my gosh. Move your butts. Move. You gotta do it again. You gotta say wee. Do it one more time and just say. And she screamed wee. I can't do it with the velocity that I did earlier. There you go. You yeet yourself onto the bed, Olivia. She was like wee. It's like I've never seen my mother ever do something like that. It was pretty funny.
You guys, I
She
have
got a
that
full
on
night's
sock.
rest.
It's because Joel and I slept.
What's the date? What's the date? Us kids were kind of quiet.
Today's
Okay.
the 6th day of
I need to say something.
Hey.
Vlogmas is incredible, and
we're having
the
so much fun.
energy and the like vibrancy that we are like putting into the videos is like sparking true joy in us. However, there's a reason that we don't do that anymore.
It is you're old.
We are old.
Okay, well,
Look at your wrinkles. Wrinkly.
what did you say?
So look at your wrinkles.
Don't look at my
You
wrinkles.
talk about dad's wrinkles. Don't ever talk about your mother's.
Joel loves his wrinkles.
has a huge wrinkle. Dad has butt wrinkles.
Oh, okay. Okay. What is even happening right now? It's unsustainable. We were up until we went on a dinner date last night. Go watch my Instagram stories if you want to see but we went to bed at 1 in the morning after we got the vlog edited, and I was like, Joel, we're gonna literally pass away and die. We are not built for this.
How many days on Christmas?
So we
19.
slept this morning.
Wait, really? 19? You should vlog us eating our chocolate. Yeah, we
Really?
have like 4 days. Imagine whenever we have 5 days of chocolate because we have it. Yeah, no, wait, is it the 5th or 6th? Imagine that's a VR.
Sometimes I get overwhelmed.
What day did it start on? 24. Is this number 24?
No. Do you start on 24?
23.
Oh, okay.
I'm going down, and then you go to 19.
Okay.
So not up to 19, but down.
Okay.
So I'm
So
gonna eat.
24, then tonight.
You guys have been so good at eating healthy, and then last night I was like,
And I told Olivia, I said that's okay if you eat.
feel sick.
Good job. Good job.
Open this.
Oh yeah, we went to bed at like 3 o'clock. Why didn't you get us Mountain Dew?
You did not. They went to bed at like 10:30. Okay. Sometimes I get overwhelmed with just like stuff and static and chaos. And so we've had these advent calendars. Your dad is going to be mad at me for not giving them to the kids earlier.
Chocolate.
Oh, that's not how you do it, sweetheart. Let me show you.
That's
Look.
if you're trying to get all of them at once.
Look. You punch out the number. So find 25. Find number 25. Do you see it anywhere? Let's see.
24 is right
No,
there.
wait.
You gotta find number 25. Oh my gosh, where's 25?
Since you were old.
Help Lincoln find 25.
There is no 25.
Yeah, there won't be a 25. There will be 24.
Okay, well then start on 24 and you punch it out and you have that one. So you're supposed to do it every day.
I did all mine.
You're supposed to do one every day. How's the chocolate in them?
Tastes like chocolate.
It's chocolate.
It tastes like gold coin chocolate.
All right, well, Jared and Kimberly had us for Christmas.
Who did I get? I want to see.
Is there a person on them at chocolate? Let me see.
Oh, I got Spider-Man.
I had
Nice.
Elsa on it.
It's not a girl. It's not a girl. Wait, we have to do 4.
You can do 4, yep, because we're behind.
I got a little dookie. Where's the
You
20?
could do
Oh.
5.
No, you do 6, because if it starts from
Well,
24,
today's-
then it goes to 19.
Yeah, you're right.
Smart math.
Jared and Kimberly had us for Christmas this year. They told us to open it early so that we can enjoy it through the holiday season. So we'll
I'm
see.
scared. Is it another
I
dog?
want a VR. I think it's a
a
VR.
turtle.
A VR,
turtle.
Cody, that is...
If it's a turtle, I will be so happy. I will
Okay.
have a dog and a turtle. If there's a squirrel in this box,
Open it over here.
Okay, I think you guys are all incorrect.
No!
Oh, cute. If I would have known it was wrapped, I would have taken it out of the box for you.
Wait,
why are you getting permission to open the box?
It's a spider! It's a spider! Another box! I hate these!
Wait, can I open it?
Jared, we don't appreciate all the boxes. Just kidding.
Oh, now there's little baggies.
Yes.
What are in those?
It's days before.
24.
Oh,
So
it's an
wait,
advent
wait, no,
calendar.
okay, wait, you guys put it
Put it
Okay,
in.
Wait,
so
hold
find
on.
number 24.
Hold on,
wait,
hold on.
hold on. Olivia, okay, can everyone calm
Okay, hold
down? Everyone calm
Look at
down.
this. Look at this. Cool. A new tradition for a Christ-centered Christmas. They're
I think they're ornaments.
Oh, I bet they are. Let's see.
That is fun.
Austin shook it up though.
So should we open number 24? Is that what we're supposed
We
to
have
do?
to write,
No.
so it's every single day going down, so we have to open up number 24 to number
Oh.
19.
No, this one you go backwards. This one you go backwards. Start with 1.
So let's open number 1 on camera so
I
we can
find
show
one?
just one. Yeah.
Each day has a scripture attached, has an item that I think describes the scripture. So go to 19 because that's the one we should
Can
be
I
on.
open it?
Opening today.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and open that one.
Where's the string?
This is a really fun gift
gosh,
idea.
look at that.
Oh,
Is that the lamp oil?
So 19 is the Last Supper. Why did Jesus teach the apostles the sacrament ordinance? And by washing the apostles' feet, what kind of example did Jesus set for us? This is super cool. Those are really pretty. Poor guy.
Yeah, Boston also has kind of a cough, and so we didn't really want to. Him and Lincoln kind of have a cough, so we just thought we'll sleep, the kids will sleep, and
Wait, how many? What, Dad? Eat breakfast. Wait, open.
Those are beautiful.
these are really fun.
Daddy.
Jared and Camberly, thank you so much.
super
That
cool.
for Mom, Grandpa.
Yes.
They have so many chocolates.
Joel, when is our house going to be done so that we can have a bigger bed for all of our children?
What do you mean? We fit.
Quit complaining about your house.
Okay, serious question though. Everyone wants to know if, and I've answered this in our Q&A, but people want to know if there's ever going to be an update on our house. There's just not enough employees to finish our driveway right now.
They've got weather-sensitive projects that they have to get done before, because we're going to start getting dumped on this week, and there was projects that had to get done first.
Okay, our children.
I will win every time. I will never lose. Oh, you want to kiss your own butt? I bet I can make that happen. It's a massage, Cody. Everybody likes massages. Cody, massage that.
Lincoln, no, Lincoln, no. All right, Joel and I got a text from my mom, you know, because Joel can get group messages now. And she said, "Oh my goodness, your Vlogmas videos are awesome."
I do try.
It's because I'm in them.
If you guys have been enjoying them, keep sticking around because we have lots more to unveil?
Huh?
I don't know. We have a lot more really cool videos. Today is Sunday, and so we are going to kind of do this like one take situation. We actually had a video planned, but I'm like, you know what? This was cute. We were filming. No. Mostly I want Joel to be able to relax for the rest of the day, and so that we can recoup for the beginning of our week, because like I said, we have a lot planned.
So much planned.
So I'm gonna let Joel quickly get this edited. No really cool clips or anything like that.
I think my
And we'll close our vlog here. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
You have 2 more weeks to school, lady.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I am sorry if you didn't enjoy the chaos, but if you did, give it a thumbs up. Bye guys.
Elsa.
Hold on, Joel, don't open it yet.
Mom,
Joel, don't say that.
guys, I have.
All right. Some.
is 20?
No. No.